Welcome to the world of upcycled decor and furniture. In an age increasingly defined by consumption and disposability, the rise of upcycled decor and furniture offers a refreshing alternative. Focused on sustainability, creativity, and craftsmanship, this approach breathes new life into reclaimed old tools, wood, and metal. Here, we celebrate a movement that not only revitalizes neglected materials, but also enriches our living spaces with unique stories and character. At its core, upcycling is about transformation. It's the art of taking what others might consider waste, old tools, worn-out wood, discarded metal, and turning it into something beautiful and functional. This process isn't merely aesthetic, it represents a shift in how we interact with our environment. By choosing upcycled items, we actively participate in a circular economy, reducing waste and minimizing our footprint. This philosophy encourages us to be more mindful about what we consume and how we contribute to the planet's health. One of the most compelling aspects of upcycled decor is its aesthetics. Each piece tells a story through its texture, color, and finish. Whether it's the rich, weathered patina of reclaimed wood or the rustic charm of vintage metal, upcycled items carry a beauty that mass-produced furniture lacks. These materials often come with imperfections that add character, making each item truly unique. In a world filled with cookie-cutter designs, upcycled decor stands out, inviting conversations about its origins and the craftsmanship behind it. The potential of upcycled materials is virtually limitless. From bold, industrial-style shelving made from old pipes to elegant coffee tables crafted from reclaimed barnwood, there's something for every taste and style. This versatility allows artisans to explore various design aesthetics, combining different materials to create innovative pieces. Whether your home leans towards minimalistic, rustic, contemporary, or eclectic design, you can find upcycled decor that enhances your space. For many, the journey into upcycling begins with a personal adventure. Scouring flea markets, garage sales, and even one's own attic yields hidden treasures that inspire creative projects. The thrill of discovery is magnetic, turning a routine shopping trip into a quest for unique materials. Each reclaimed item, from aged wood boards to obsolete tools, represents a new opportunity, tapping into the creativity that lies within us all. For DIY enthusiasts, this process is as rewarding as the finished product, fostering a sense of accomplishment and personal connection to their space. Narratives within the decor. Each piece of upcycled furniture and decor carries its own narrative, enriching the home with history and sentiment. Perhaps the wood was once part of an old barn, echoing the stories of rural life, or maybe the tools belonged to a craftsman whose legacy lives on in each repurposed item. These narratives enhance emotional connections and provoke thought, allowing homeowners to appreciate not just the decor but the stories intertwined with them. Each item sparks conversation, inviting guests to explore its history and the inspiration behind its transformation. Investing in upcycled decor is not just about acquiring a beautiful piece, it's about appreciating the craftsmanship that goes into making each item. Many artisans dedicate hours to meticulously crafting furniture from reclaimed materials, showcasing traditional skills that honor the past. This commitment to quality and artistry adds value to every piece, making them more than mere objects. They are works of art. Supporting these artisans means investing in the local economy and honoring hands-on craftsmanship. Embracing upcycled decor contributes significantly to environmental responsibility. By choosing to recycle and repurpose materials, we actively reduce the demand for new resources and the energy consumed in manufacturing. This sustainable approach promotes a mindset of conservation and care for the environment. Each reclaimed piece becomes a step towards reducing landfill waste and maximizing the lifespan of existing materials, cultivating a culture of awareness around consumption and wastefulness. Upcycled decor is incredibly versatile and can enhance various spaces in your home. From functional furniture like tables and chairs to decorative items like wall art and sculptures, these pieces add character and warmth to any room. In areas like kitchens and dining rooms, reclaimed wood tables serve as gathering spots, creating a sense of community. In living rooms, industrial-style decor turns a simple space into a cozy retreat, inviting relaxation and reflection. By purchasing upcycled decor, consumers contribute to the livelihoods of local artisans who are passionate about their craft. This support fosters a community that values creativity and sustainability, encouraging more artisans to pursue their craft. As consumers become more aware of the stories behind the pieces they purchase, the relationship between artisans and buyers becomes more intimate. This growing community promotes quality, craftsmanship, and ethical practices in every transaction. Looking forward, the future of upcycled decor appears bright. With increasing awareness of sustainability and environmental challenges, more artisans are entering this field, bringing fresh ideas and innovative designs. Additionally, as technology advances, new methods for transforming materials are emerging, opening up even more possibilities for creative expression. As we continue to explore the potential of reclaimed items, we can expect a dynamic evolution in the realm of home decor. Finally, we invite you to be part of this upcycling movement. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting to explore the realm of reclaimed decor, there's a place for you here. Embrace the beauty of forgotten tools, wood and metal, and consider how they can enhance your living space. Let these pieces inspire you to think creatively and sustainably, transforming not only your home, but also your mindset. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of upcycled decor and furniture. We hope you find inspiration in these stories and materials, creating spaces that reflect both history and your unique vision for a sustainable future.